Alofa lava. My name is Saweshi, and I'll be interviewing my dad of our Tatau.
Okay. Hello, son. Wow.
So, how painful was it?
Okay. So, I reckon 9 out of 10. Sore, and those who say it's not sore, it's sore. But you have to be malusi. What's malusi?
I'm strong.
Gotta be strong. Here, what's melia?
Your mind. Ma fau fau.
Ma fau fau. Ma here. So you gotta be strong here. Failo kakao. Alright, what else?
So were you happy after you got it?
Yes, I was very happy. I cried because I was so excited that I finished and I get to wear the tatau for you boys. You weren't even born yet. For our family and to represent Mama and Papa. And Mama Siolo always said, "Ole tatau oi o tatau no ainga." You know, ole winganga. This tattoo is not mine; it's our family tattoo. So I was very happy.
Why did you want to get it?
If you can see up there,
Yeah.
what does it say? Can you read it?
Yeah, I saw my grandfather and grandmother, all my aunties and uncles all got tatau, saying that gave me power and I wanted to receive tatau too. For me, it's such an honor.
There you go. For me, it's such an honor. Okay. What else?
Like where was it at?
We did it here in Australia from Su'a Suluape from Mangaku. So he did my tatau, which he's going to be here soon, in 2 weeks. Okay.
Yeah.
Maangaya? Mm-hmm. Okay, this is Taitu'uga, and this is Esau,
Yeah.
and this is the father, son, and Lekas wants to say a joke. Ready? Go. What's your joke? He doesn't have a joke.
I did.
Go. Ready? Go. Knock, knock.
He's there.
I don't know. More.
More who?
Fasi more. I don't know.